chart ni BTC. Unahin natin si Toy Bits today. Mga titos and titas, medyo struggling talaga. No? This is the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. If you're going to notice, after the rejection dito sa 113, 114 area, which is the top of the red cloud. Look at this. The top of the red cloud of TIPI sa 4-hour time frame. We got rejected, hammered, bumalik lang ulit po tayo sa loob nitong parallel channel. So, we're just waiting. Kasi sa spot tayo, we were waiting for another buy the dip setup sa 1 day, which, by the way, ngayon po ay wala. Ano po nangyari sa ganito? Nakita natin to, di ba? May green dot, may green cloud, may green candle. Diba? I told you, dito ako pumasok. Okay? Hinataw naman. Actually, hinataw naman. Okay? Yung setup naman, nag-work naman yung setup. It's just that, nung na-reject po siya, okay? Nakita nyo yung rejection dun sa top ng red cloud sa 4-hour. It coincides also sa top ng green cloud sa 1 day. Look at this. Diba? Nung na-reject po siya dyan, ibig sabihin, yes, nandun yung bulls, yung mga green, kaso nga lang, ang lakas ng bears eh. Para itulak ka ng ganun-ganun na lang, di ba? Kala natin, exhausted na yung mga bears kasi meron na pong mga green dots, pero ayun, nagpakita po ulit dun through this rejection. So, bumalik po ulit tayo. Kaya we decided, actually dito pa lang, we decided to close it na eh. Dito pa lang sa candle na to. Right? Ngayon po, what's happening now? Wala na po yung green dot, pero nasa green cloud ka pa rin. Okay? So, meaning to say, the bears are not yet exhausted. Nakapagpahinga yan. Nakapagpahinga yan. So, in layman's terms, in trader's term, ang ibig po sabihin nito is we just have to wait. Wala pa po tayong setup, so we need to wait. Saan ba yan papunta? We don't know. Ang inaantay lang natin yung setup. Yung mga TIPI traders, ganun lang eh. Hindi po ba? Kung dito lumabas yung setup, dito tayo bibili, dito tayo papasok. Kung dito lumabas yung setup, dito tayo papasok. Okay? As long as may green cloud dyan. As long as may green cloud. So right now, wala pa po. Okay? We just need to wait. We just need to patiently wait until mabigyan tayo ng setup ni TIPI.